All right, in this video, we're going to talk about solving multi-step inequalities and focus on variables on both sides. Okay, so I've got 7x plus 13 less than 4x plus 1. So I need to minus 4x on both sides because I'm going to move this smaller variable. That gives me 3x plus 13 less than 1. Then it's just a two-step inequality. Minus 13 on both sides. I get 3x is less than negative 12. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x is less than negative 4. So on my number line, I've got negative 4. I've got an open circle shading to the left. Okay, let's look at the next one. Negative 3x plus 1 is less than or equal to negative 7x plus 5. So I'm going to move my smallest variable, in this case the 3x, so add 3x to both sides. Actually, take that back, not the 3x. We're going to move the 7x. Okay, add 7x to both sides. I get 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. Now solving a two-step, minus 1 on both sides, I get 4x is less than or equal to 4. Divide both sides by 4. And I get, x is less than or equal to 1. So, at 1, I'm going to have a filled in circle, and I'm going to shade to the left. All right, let's look at the next one. I've got negative 9, or sorry, can't read today. 9 minus 7 times 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 30. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that negative 7. So I get 9, negative 7 times 2 gives me negative 14x. Negative 7 times 1 is a negative 7, less than or equal to 30. Combine my like terms, so I get negative 14x. 9 plus negative 7 gives me a positive 2, less than or equal to 30. Solving that two-step now, subtract 2 on both sides. I get negative 14x less than or equal to 28. And finally, divide both sides by a negative 14. So I'm going to get x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So at negative 2, I'm going to have a filled in circle because we're equal to. And I'm going to shade to the right since it's greater than. All right, let's look at the next one. Negative 3 times x minus 4 minus 1 greater than 2x minus x plus 6x plus 7. All right, so I'm going to do my distributive stuff first. So I'm going to distribute the negative 3. And I'm going to distribute the negative 1. So negative 3 times x, negative 3x, negative 3 times negative 4 is a positive 12. I still have that minus 1 greater than 2x. Negative 1 times 6 is a negative 6x, and negative 1 times 7 is a negative 7. From here, combining like terms on the left and the right. So on the left, I have 12 and negative 1, and on the right, I have 2x and negative 6. All right, so I'm going to get negative 3x on the left plus 11 greater than 2x minus 6x gives me negative 4x minus 7. Move my smallest variable over, so I'm going to add 4x, giving me x plus 11 is greater than -7, minus 11 on both sides, and I get x is greater than -18. Okay, so at -18 on my graph, I'm going to have an open circle. It's greater than, so I'm going to shade to the right. I will give a couple bonus points to anybody who brings me this problem worked out on their next test. That is all I have for you in this video. I will see you in the next.